In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your keyboard language. You can simply change to any language on your keyboard in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. Tap on General. On this page, select the option of Keyboard. Right here, tap on this first option. Then select this option of Add New Keyboard. Choose any language you would like to be on your keyboard. Let's say French. Select French and it will get added successfully. You can either delete your default language and select French as your keyboard main language, or you can as well decide to be with the two languages on your keyboard at the same time. That's how easy it is to add any language to your keyboard on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.